Paddle shift transmissions. Advanced paddle shift transmissions put the exhilarating performance of the IS models at your fingertips. The 2018 IS line. Every car makes a statement. What's yours? With 3 available engines, an aggressively styled front fascia, head-turning illumination, and an interior featuring new, advanced technology designed around you, the most powerful IS line ever speaks volumes and then some. All-wheel drive. Fun doesn't take the day off for foul weather. By monitoring current driving conditions, available all-wheel drive automatically allocates engine power between the front and rear axles from 50/50ths to as much as 30/70ths. This can provide improved traction and control on a wide range of road surfaces and in inclement conditions. Lexus Safety System. The most comprehensive safety system ever offered by Lexus, Lexus Safety System is designed to help pave the way to a world with fewer collisions and better informed drivers. An integrated suite of class-leading standard active safety equipment, the system is designed to help in certain circumstances, from providing pedestrian alerts to preventing lane trim. Pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. This system is engineered to detect a vehicle or pedestrian in the path of your Lexus under certain conditions. Should the system detect a pedestrian or determine a frontal collision is imminent, it's designed to activate an audible and visual alert while automatically preparing brake assist for increased braking response. If the driver does not brake in time, the system is designed to automatically begin braking before impact and, in some cases, can even brake the vehicle to a stop.